to my CDO vlog! Welcome to Dahilayan! Drunk passenger. Inom pa, Red Horse. Sa Paday. Water. And nice. Pineapple na talaga. Dito galing ang itlog ng Monte Pineapple fruits in can. That's the farm. Hello! So right now we're about to do the longest zip line in the Philippines. Dahil sa mananay OR. Kailangan sa mananay OR si Dayday guys. Ambot! Ano? Kung ma-post pa din ako, buhi pa mi after. Mag-baking na ta. Ano man tag 50 ka. O sulabong na gali ako. So, sa man tagdisa lang sa. Mag-bake bakery sa amin. Pandesal, lugar. Thank you. Mama ng front, ani. Matakabalo kay wataga ang kas. Ang CAS 101. Tanaw sila kuya na lingaw. Saan man eh?
Your viewers can't understand Bisay.
Oh, we will put subtitles.
Okay.
Yeah, kay kalimot ko guys. I'm so sorry. So, let's go. Guys, this is it.
Kasalanan mo to.
So, sorry for the blooper. We're not sure about what the future holds. Diyos ko. Naman ang voice. We're still in Dahilayan. We're like in Baguio right now. The temperature is about 12 degrees and feels like 10. We're here on a Monday, so there's no one here but us and a few others. It's so quiet, it's so nice. Kung hangover ka, dito ka dapat pupunta. Diba, Day?
Oo.
Nawalay hangover. CDO by night. We're here at High Ridge. The best view. Hi guys, so this is beef sinigang with watermelon and happy fiesta! Welcome to day 4. Wala na akong boses guys dahil araw-arawin natin ang ligaya. Welcome to New Zealand! Kaso na bamboo patay. Dito lang tayo guys sa New Zealand.
Dito. Doon sa Australia na naman. Doon.
Dito kasi medyo nakaka-Pilipinas ang bamboo construction. And then over here is laylayan ng lipunan here. So let's just stick here where the view is great, fantastic, amazing.
Magnificent.
Welcome to day 5! This is a dream house. all glass and then greenery outside. Look at that. Beautiful house. And this is the restroom. Look at that.